Hello my fellow sewing mates, my name is Q and welcome to today's lesson. The last time we learned how to take measurements for making the basic bodice, and then we went on to draft the basic bodice. In today's lesson we're going to learn how to take body measurements for making the basic skirt pattern, and then later on we're going to learn how to make the basic skirt. Enjoy the lesson. Let's get on to it, shall we? We're first going to start by measuring the waist circumference. We wrap our tape measure and we take the smallest part of our waist, which is 29 inches. And we take our hip circumference. So we follow the strings that I tied around here. Make sure that your tape measure is straight all around. Make sure that even at the back, the tape measure is straight. And then you take the measurements, which in my case, it's 39.5. Now we are going to measure the waist to hip measurement. Place your tape measure on the waist and then take the measurement from the waist to the hip. In my case, it's 9.5 inches. And then lastly, we are going to measure the measurement from the waist to the knee. So you are going to place your tape measure on the string on the waist and then you measure down to the knee. In our case, the waist to knee measurement is 25 inches. Next, we're going to measure the waist to the ankle or the waist to the floor. You can take that measurement. I'm just going to take the one that goes down to my floor. And then I know that when I'm going up to my ankle, I'm going to subtract roughly 1.5 inches. So the waist to floor measurement is 43 in my case. Check out our pattern making and sewing masterclass in the video description. If you register now, you will get a 50% discount. See you on the other side. Ciao, ciao.